Hello, everyone. And here I'm at Money2020, and I'm pleased to introduce Dhanum, who is a content manager at Money2020. And I think that's the first time for us to discuss something with the Money2020 team. It's exciting for me. I've been taking the part for the conference for a couple of years, and it's good to see maybe from your angle what is going on. Where is actually happening all the level at real flows, as it's still most of the conferences and white papers? Which specific bank DeFi collaboration this year would you point as the cleanest example so far?
I think I'll expand out the question a little bit.
Yeah.
Rather than just being bank DeFi, I would say TradFi and DeFi, so traditional finance and decentralized finance. I think the biggest one this year has got to be what was announced earlier this week at Money2020 on our orbital stage to open the show. MoneyGram partnering with Bridge has started issuing their stablecoin. I think it's MGUSD. It's a huge change, right? Like they're saying, I mean, I know they're localized in the US for now, but being able to transmit money cross border from the US, huge deal. That means that people are now, like a woman who moves to the US to send money, earn money for her family, is now able to send that money globally across the world without having to pick up massive interchange fees. And it's not just a huge deal, it's changing people's lives. So stablecoin impact is here. It's making a real difference, and it's delivering value to people in real time.
Actually, I think in my opinion, it's kind of the way which is reaching from San Francisco in the United States, because last year at Stripe sessions, Stripe announced that they acquiring the Bridge, and actually they pushed a lot the narrative with the stable coins and I think agentic AI. And here we see the stable coins kind of reaching the consumer base. So institutionalized clients are talking about that. But what about the TradFi? Because right now, when we're talking about the stable coins, it's coming from the blockchain side. And is it going to be kind of merge, and TradFi is something that is going to be affected by those changes too?
I mean, affected is a very big word, right? Like, yeah, I mean, any change in technology, any change in regulations, any change in geography has an impact on how TradFi and indeed DeFi operates, right? A lot of people are talking about TradFi versus DeFi.
Yeah.
I think it's a common and easy way to frame the question. But the truth is, look around, right? We're in a massive fintech ecosystem. There are players from all over the world at Money2020 in all aspects of finance. No one company has emerged as a monolithic, monopolistic player. The truth is, this stuff is incredibly hard. Finance is difficult, and it takes a lot of people working together to make it happen. And there are always niches and edge cases that matter, and might not be like the key focus for one company, but another company might make it their sole focus. Everyone has an opportunity to win when TradFi and DeFi come together. And I think that's what we're really seeing today on the show floor. So we've been seeing all week. And I think it's what we're going to see for the future.
Thank you. And what do you think, what are the future challenges for this industry? Because we see that stablecoins came in, and anything that you would see from your experience, the company should be aware as a challenge for upcoming 3-5 years.
Sure. I think some of the challenges, they're quite varied. So regulation is always a challenge. We're seeing Clarity Act go through markup at the moment in the US. Genius Act came into force in the US. The final rules around, well, I think we have FSMA in the UK, but their final like crypto rules are going to be coming into force or being released towards the end of this year. Then you have MiCA in the European Union, right? Like those are all challenges, but they're opportunities as well, right? Like they provide a framework for these businesses to operate within and to understand what they are and aren't allowed to do. Every single challenge is really just a problem for DeFi companies to solve and be incredibly successful and deliver incredible value to their customer base.
Every challenge is two-way door. Like it really depends which way you see, because a lot of companies are thinking about the changes and new regulations coming as a disadvantage, but understanding that it influences the market and converting them into the advantage, that what makes the best companies and best teams. So that's a good point. And thank you for answering our questions today. It's a pleasure to share the event with you. And once again, thanks, all the big thanks to the team of Money2020, because you put a lot of efforts to bring together everyone in one roof for several days and have this amazing experience.
Great. Thanks so much. It's really a pleasure to join you here on Fintech Garden. And actually, we also I should add, this is a huge subject, and we at Money20 released a book called The New Intersection of Money, and we go over all of this stuff in fine detail throughout that book. I recommend it to everyone.
Thank you so much. Definitely, please check out this book. It would be good to see what is happening. So thank you so much.
Thanks so much.